Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and here to share my full recap and impressions of the MIX Fold, the brand new foldable from Xiaomi that is gonna make waves, coming at an incredible price point. Is this device poised to destroy the other foldables on the market, Z Fold 2, Mate X2, and all the other foldables? Well, here's my full recap of this device. Let's have a look. So here we began with this reveal of the MIX Fold, and you could just tell there was a murmur in the crowd. People were starting to feel very excited, and then this thing opened up, the fish swam around, and we knew that we were ready for a big surprise here with this MIX Fold. And there's the full reveal, guys. And I gotta say, initial impressions looked really promising with this gorgeous front display and back display with an 8.01 inch bezel-less display, and they've gone the route of Mate X2, no cameras on the internal display, and look at the size of this thing, just looks incredible. Now there is one caveat though, no high refresh rate here, 60 Hz only, but Dolby Vision supported on this incredible looking display, 387 ppi and a 2K display. So call it what you will. Is this a downgrade or an upgrade? I still think there's going to be a very promising looking panel. And they were comparing it to the iPad mini here, and they can basically I mean, the iPad mini is such an old device, but let's face it, they have a larger display than the iPad mini in a much smaller body, and also being able to offer really good kind of a larger viewing area using this display, and Harman Kardon quad speakers on this MIX Fold as well. Talking about performance, and we have the Snapdragon 888 with 12 gigs and 256 gigs of storage, and this was a little bit of Genshin Impact they showed on this device. Lei Jun apparently had been playing for 2 hours on this MIX Fold, this game, and I don't think he's a big gamer, but to be honest, it looks incredible on the 8-inch display of this MIX Fold. And of course, they also were touting the kind of business side of the MIX Fold here, just showing you that you can use it to see more of your business content, and also desktop mode is enabled on this device, which is great to see. And they also spent some time talking about the hinge of the MIX Fold, a very kind of precise and just a lot of engineering going into this hinge. They spent over 200,000 times folding this thing, and it still survived. And with a 5020 mAh battery, it's going to be one of the larger battery capacities of any foldable device, 67 watts, and with a 108 megapixel main camera. Here's a few samples that they shared of the main camera as well. And this is an ultra wide shot that they took as well with their new ultra wide camera, 123 degrees of view from this camera. So, and also 30 times telemacro. I mean, Xiaomi's really getting into these telemacro cameras that serve both as macros and as kind of telephoto cameras. And you can see there, I mean, it's an interesting concept, but this camera basically serves two purposes, as a macro and a telephoto, and using the new liquid lens technology for this phone as well, with their brand new C1 ISP for this phone. So a lot of great stuff here, but what's the price? 9,999 RMB, around $1,500 US for the base variant, and this MIX Fold is looking very promising. The only issue being, of course, that 60 Hz inner display. But let me tell you, just from initial impressions, I can't wait to check this product out. So what do you guys think? You know what, to be honest, this MIX Fold looks incredible, from the industrial design to the 8.01 inch display, Snapdragon processor, and just a lot of great features on this device. There's one catch though, that internal display is 60 Hz, and I would have loved to see a little bit of a higher refresh rate on this phone. The outer display is 90 Hz, and it will compete well with most of the other devices on the market. But hit me up in the comments, guys. What are your thoughts on this MIX Fold? And do you think that this could be your next foldable, a foldable that will undercut the market the way I think it will? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching all my coverage, guys. It's been a crazy, busy month. We're wrapping up March. But once again, thank you so much for your support. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. If they'd only put 90 hertz on that inner display. It's a little bit of a miss there, Xiaomi. Just a little miss.